How to manually add transactions on QuickBooks Online. Hey everyone, if you're trying to manually add bank transactions, this is how you do it. First thing you have to do is open up your web browser and log into your QuickBooks account. Once you are logged in, on the left side of your screen on your bookmarks, you're going to find bank transactions. Go ahead and tap on it. Adding your bank transactions manually can be an effective way to manage all of your transactions. So once you head over to bank transactions, you will find the expenses tab at the right. Head over there. And once you land on the expenses tab, you'll have an option called new transaction that allows you to create a new transaction manually. Click on it and you'll find a drop down like this. On this drop down, you have different options like expense, check, supplier credit, and pay down credit card. Select any one of them. So for example, if you click on expense, it will pop out another menu with the expenses tab. And here you have an option to add the transaction. So on this page, you're just going to have to select all of the details like who the payee is, what's your payment amount, the payment date, payment method, and reference number as well. So after filling out all of these details, you can just go ahead and add your manual transactions. And right below that, you'll find the memo option as well to add a detailed description so that it will be easier to keep track of. And that's how you manually add bank transactions with QuickBooks Online. If it was helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.